Hey everybody, welcome to the garden. I hope you're having a great day. Shout out to the lemon and lime lovers and everybody in between. It's time for the MEXC Global Small Account Challenge, episode 11. And if you're interested in any of the services I provide, please check out the links in the description below for both the Patreon and Discord. Okay guys, so let's get into the update for the small account. And as you can see, kind of like a continuation from yesterday, having a great day. LDO, we're still in it, right? So I went over this coin in this position in the last update that I'm looking to follow the daily trend on this one. And so far, the trend is still up. So we'll see how much higher this could potentially go over the next couple of days. And then we've entered longs in GMT, SOL, BIT, CXZ, and Bone is one of the more recent ones that we've entered today. And they're all doing well. We've taken out our profits on them, so there's no risk in these trades. All the stop losses are trailing in profit. So, it's been great. Again, we started with $100, and now we're at unrealized gains of $902. So we've about 9x the account with unrealized money. With the realized money, we're up to $449. So we're doing great so far. And if we continue to see the uptrend in the crypto market, we may even get to $1,000 today, which is the ultimate goal for the small account, 10xing it from 100 to 1,000. And this is the 35th day of the start. So I would say it's pretty fast to 10x your account, but again, this is just to highlight that almost any trading strategy that's simple and repeatable with proper risk management can make you money, right? Some will make you money faster, some will make you money slower, some have less risk, some have more risk, but as long as you have that all under control and you're disciplined to repeat it, well, then it's all good. Going into the position history, we don't really have that much updated. I mean, ETHW, this was one of the bigger losers I had. I highlighted this also in the last video. We had another loser on Kava, which I think was also in last video as well. And then we had about a break-even trade on SRM, right? So we made a little bit, about just under $6 off of SRM. So this one didn't perform as good as I thought it might, but that's okay. Again, this is why you have your risk under control, and keeps you in the game to hop into winners like this over time. And right now what I'm looking at is I'm waiting for potential CXZ to fill my final TP on it. So I already took some profit off of it. My stop is in profit currently. Let's actually raise this profit up real quick right here. We'll put this right there. So banking in more profit in case it does come down, just trailing the Kaijin Sin on the Ichimoku. But I'm looking for price to come up into 11.777. Got extremely close. I mean, we got up to 11.774. So, and it's been denied there so far. So, unfortunately, we may have missed it. We'll see. I'm not going to move the TP. If it happens, it happens. If not, not a big deal. But overall, pretty happy with this trade. We'll see if we can get any more out of it. And then one of our newer positions, which is Bone. Again, it's a breakout trade. I'm just using a basic breakout system. So Bones had a pretty good move. Then it started going flat over here. So I waited for this to break flat, and then I had my entry right here at 1.169. Stop loss is currently at 1.30. So we're pretty much break even. I am looking for it to potentially pop up towards 1.237, and then have my second TP at 1.275. So Bone is potentially brewing for a bigger move up, but if we're nearing the end of this uptrend, at least in the short term, then I would look for Bone to potentially come back down and pretty much make like a little double top structure. But again, we don't know if that's going to happen. We're just trading the system that we're using. Okay, we can look at the capital flows just so you can see I didn't add any money. You'll probably see a bunch of funding fees. Yep, so funding fees I'm paying. Okay, I've been sitting in these positions quite often, but everything should match up with what you've seen, in these last videos and all the episodes in the past. So I don't think I have to go all the way back. I think it's pretty clear. I've been as forthright and transparent as I possibly can. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this small account series. Hopefully you get interested in potentially wanting to learn from me, or you want to just trade with me. If you do want to do either of those, check out the services in the Patreon link. I do a day trading room almost every day, every weekday, 1 to 2 hours, and then I also have a tutoring service where I teach you pretty much how to trade, whether you want to learn to trade like this or just generally have more knowledge of how the markets work. I'm your guy. And then if you just want to have some swing trades, you want to just follow some, I don't want to say guaranteed winners, but most of the time we win. Some big swing trades that are consistent and safe. Check out the swing trading service. It's very cheap, just $15 a month, and it should pay itself back very, very quickly. And also, if you like the content, make sure to give me a like, subscribe, maybe a share. And if you have any questions, leave a comment or join the Discord and ask me there. And always remember, guys, be patient, be vigilant, and be nimble. I love you guys. Take care.